Are you showing me something else, Alex?
Yeah, it was just when people talk about this being two-part buildings, you're probably, I put that straight edge all the way through both sides of the building, showing that, like Paul Daniels cutting somebody in half.
Yeah.
That's because there's no cables running through these buildings. This building has its own consumer unit.
Oh, okay.
Blah, blah. And this building has its own consumer unit.
Ah, I see, right.
Down there. So the idea.
So you literally, this is longer, isn't it? Is this 24 foot by 8 foot? So you're saying that you could just as easily attach another 24 by 8 foot onto it because they're that independent?
Well, they're just independent buildings. They're two independent. We could take, this is an 8 foot opening. For example, these windows fit in here.
Okay.
So say, for example, this customer...
if he moved home.
Say he moves house into a smaller garden and he wants to adapt the building. Well, then windows would just come...
Fit in that gap.
Into this gap. Well, into that gap there. So
right.
Exactly into that gap. So you could convert this studio into a 24 by 8. But you probably wouldn't. You would keep this bit because it's already an L shape.
Yeah.
And you would just buy some new windows and put the new windows in here. Because this building's already independent, why break it up? And the same could be said of this. This building could be taken away and windows added, and it's, again, another independent
Completely
building.
independent.
So you've got two buildings here, and all they're doing is join together.
Right. Okay. Thank you.